Hello everybody and welcome to this episode of Toy Warp Vintage Reviews. If this is your first time here, please reach over, hit that subscribe button, and the bell icon to stay up to date on all the great toy episodes I have in the works, and maybe check out some past episodes as well. Some will even be linked at the end of this video. Thank you for watching everybody and enjoy.
From Knickerbocker.
Don't miss the boat, it's a game that takes skill. It's not easy to do cause it doesn't sit still.
You wind up the sign and the boat is in motion.
If your timing's not right, you go into the ocean.
But if you roll them all in, that's how to win.
Don't miss the boat.
Don't miss the boat from Schaper. You put it together.
Don't Miss the Boat, not to be confused with an earlier Parker Brothers board game with the same title, and not to be confused with Don't Rock the Boat, a more modern balancing game. This game, released in 1980, was from Schaper Toys. Schaper, most famous for their Stomper trucks in the 80s, did mostly games before they did the trucks. Most notably was the Cootie game, which is now a Milton Bradley property. It also didn't have the sales or the play value that other Schaper games had either. The Schaper company was founded in 1949 and lasted until 1986 when it was finally purchased by Tyco. Don't Miss the Boat was released the same year that the Stomper trucks were released, but only stayed in stores for 3 years. Production ceased partly because of the marbles being choking hazards to children, even though the recommended age for the game was 5 and up, which met the American child safety regulations. Many companies chose to pull choking hazard toys and just replace the product with something. Each gameplay round will only take you, well, less than 5 minutes. It wasn't very compact, and parents could be annoyed by the sound it makes when it rotates, since it's a wind-up game and not battery operated. Still, on a rainy or snowy Sunday afternoon in the early 80s, this game provided some family entertainment for kids making memories of their favorite 80s toys, with its bright colors and fast-paced gameplay. The boat in the middle actually speeds up and slows down a bit, which does help add some variations to the gameplay. That gameplay is super simplistic. Just be the one player who gets the most marbles in the boat and you win. So simple, in fact, that the instructions on how to play were actually printed twice on the box, and the only instruction sheet that came inside the box were for the assembly of the game. I really hope this brings back some memories from your childhood. If you like today's episode, comment on the video and give it a thumbs up. Maybe even check out some of the past episodes and subscribe to the channel, the links for which are both at the end of today's video. I thank you so much for watching. See you next time.